The Pixel 10 series is almost here, and just a day before Google's big launch event, some exciting new leaks have surfaced. This time, the focus isn't just on the phones themselves, but also on the new accessories Google is preparing to launch. Alongside them, and for Pixel fans, there's a mix of good news, some surprising upgrades, and even a few eyebrow-raising details. According to fresh listings spotted by retailers PC Canada and True IT, Google is ready to roll out a brand new 67-watt dual-port power adapter and a new wireless charging stand called the Pixelsnap. These leaks were picked up by Android Authority and have already created a buzz in the tech community. Let's start with the new charger. Google is introducing the Google 67-watt dual-port power adapter, which will come in snow color. Last year, Pixel 9 users had the option of a 45W power brick. Now, with the Pixel 10 lineup, Google is bumping up the power to 67W. On paper, that sounds like a massive jump in charging speeds, but here's the catch. The Pixel 10 series itself won't actually charge at 67W. According to all the latest reports, charging speeds will be capped at 30W for the Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro, and 39W for the Pixel 10 Pro XL. So why release a 67W charger? The phones don't support that speed. The answer might lie in future-proofing. Having a dual-port charger with higher wattage allows users to charge multiple devices at once, say, your Pixel phone and a Pixel tablet, or even a laptop that supports USB-C fast charging. It's less about pushing the Pixel 10 to its limit, and more about convenience and versatility. Now let's talk about price. The new 67-watt adapter is listed at 79 Canadian dollars, which works out to around $57 US. That's almost double the cost of last year's 45-watt brick. It's not the most affordable accessory, but if you need faster multi-device charging, it might be worth the investment. The bigger and perhaps more exciting news, though, is the new Pixelsnap charger stand. This accessory is priced at 99 Canadian dollars, or about $72 US, and that actually makes it cheaper than the Pixel stand from last year. What makes this accessory special is that it supports Qi wireless charging, the new standard that brings MagSafe-like functionality to Android devices. For those who don't know, Qi uses magnets to snap accessories into place and deliver more reliable wireless charging. This means the Pixelsnap stand will keep your phone perfectly aligned while charging, reducing heat and energy loss. Not only that, but since Qi2 is an open standard, you'll also be able to use a wide range of third-party accessories that support it. And here's another interesting detail. Most of the leaked Pixel 10 cases also come with magnets built into the back. This shows Google is going all in on Qi2, making magnetic wireless charging a big part of the Pixel 10 ecosystem. The Pixelsnap charger will be the first official accessory from Google to take advantage of this, but it definitely won't be the last. Now, accessories aside, let's quickly recap the Pixel 10 lineup itself, because tomorrow's event is expected to showcase. For different models, the standard Pixel 10 will feature a 6.3-inch Actua display, Google's new Tensor G5 processor, 12GB of RAM, and a triple rear camera setup with 48, 13, and 10.8 megapixel lenses. It's capable of 20x zoom, 4K video recording, and has a 10.5 megapixel selfie camera with autofocus. Google also promises over 24 hours of battery life and support for the new Pixelsnap wireless charging. The Pixel 10 Pro and Pixel 10 Pro XL take things further with larger Super Actua displays, 6.3 inches for the Pro and 6.8 inches for the XL. Both will run on the Tensor G5 and offer 16GB of RAM. The camera system gets a serious boost here, with 350 and 48 megapixel sensors, along with support for up to 100x zoom to even 8K video recording. The front camera also jumps up to a massive 42 megapixels with autofocus. And of course, both phones support Pixelsnap charging and come with over a day of battery life. Then there's the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, Google's next-gen foldable. It's expected to come with an 8-inch Super Actua Flex primary screen and a 6.4-inch secondary screen. Inside, you'll get 16GB of RAM and a 5000 mAh battery, which is a welcome upgrade for a foldable device. The camera system should be similar to last year's Pixel 9 Pro Fold, but with improved zoom capabilities. With such a large display, battery life is crucial, so the extra capacity here will be a big selling point. Overall, the Pixel 10 family isn't drastically different from the Pixel 9 lineup, but Google is polishing the design, improving the cameras, and expanding its accessory ecosystem with Qi support. The 100x zoom on the Pro models will likely grab headlines, but the Pixelsnap charger stand might be the real game changer for daily use. So, what do you think? Would you buy the new Pixelsnap stand for around $70 US? Are you excited about the 67-watt dual-port adapter, or does the higher price tag turn you off? And most importantly, which Pixel 10 model are you planning to pick up?